Hello everyone. Problem is maximum meeting in one room. Okay. In a given problem, there is one meeting in a room. Okay. And there are n meetings in the form of SI Fi, where SI is the start time of the meeting I and Fi is the finishing time of the meeting I. Okay. And here we need to find the maximum number of meetings that can be conducted in the meeting room. And here is the condition is you can accommodate a meeting if the start time of the meeting is strictly greater than the finishing time of the previous meeting. Okay, and now first we move on the example. Here is the example. Here is the two array, a start time and finishing time. Okay, and first one denote the start time of the meeting and their corresponding finishing time. Okay, first we consider that uh, first first job and first meeting will be accommodated in and conducted in the meeting room. Okay, means uh, if first time will be conducted in meeting room, in that case their finishing time is 2. Okay, and for the next one start time is 3 and that is greater than the previous finishing time. Okay, means second meeting will be also be accommodated in a meeting room. For the third one, their start time is 0, that is the lesser than the finishing time of the previous meeting, and that will not be conducted. Okay, and after that for the next meeting their start time is 5, that is greater than the previous meeting finishing time is 4. It means fourth meeting also will be conduct. Okay, and for the fifth meeting its start time is 8 and previous finishing time is 7, that will be lesser than the start time, means fifth meeting also be conduct. Okay, and for the sixth meeting its start time is lesser than the finishing time of previous meeting, means sixth meeting will not be conduct. Okay, means in that case our output will be their jobs. Okay, that will be stored in array, means our first meeting will always be accommodate. Okay, and after that second meeting, after fourth and fifth. Okay, now we can move on the coding part. Here first we take array list that will store the jobs. Okay, here we write the jobs. Okay, and the new, simply paste it, and first we assume our first meeting will be accommodated. Okay, then job dot add 1. Okay, and we take another variable j uh, that will store 0, and we take for loop that will be a start from 1 till n. Okay, inside that we need to check that the case of a start time will be always or strictly greater than the finishing time of previous meeting. Okay, in that case job will be stored in array list. Okay, now return the array list here. Now compile the code. Okay, these are jobs. Now again compile the code. Okay, it's working fine, but some of the cases, like where is the finishing time is not in sorted manner, in that case this implementation will be failed. Okay, because in this example finish time is in sorted manner. Okay, uh, for the unsorted finishing time we can move for this approach. Okay, and our approach is that first we take a pair class that will store the start time, finish time and their index. Okay, then here we take a static class pair that will store the first start time and finish time and their index, and here we create a constructor for this. Okay, and first we comment this, and here we take a pair array. Okay, and give me the size of n. Okay, for this first we store the start time, finishing time and index in that array. Then first we take a for loop till 0 to n. Okay, I plus plus. Okay, then here pairs of I is equal to new pair of s of I, f of I, and for last index. Okay, that will be I plus 1 we take. Okay, after that we want to sort the pair array based on the finishing time. Okay. For this we take arrays dot sort. Here we pass the pairs and we can use here comparator dot comparing int, and in that we need to pass the pair class and its variable pair. Okay, and here we can use like lambda expression. Okay, means it will give me the pair array based on the uh, sorted finishing time. After that we can use this implementation also, but we want to take another method for this. Okay, In this method we need to pass pairs and their size. Let me first we create here a method public static, and the return type is list. Okay, and let me copy this, cut and paste there, and needs here some changes. Okay, here also we take first job, means in that case our first job will be pairs of 0 dot index. Okay, this is our first job. Here we a small n, and here also we need to check the start time and finishing time of previous. Okay, then here will be pairs of I dot start is, and here pairs of j dot finish. Okay, and lastly here we add pairs of I dot index. Okay, now compile the code. Okay, it's working. Now submit the code. Okay, uh, here is the incorrect output because of here we can update the j with I, and lastly sort the array list. We can use collection dot sort method and pass the job. Now directly submit the code. Okay, this is the problem in collection. This is the incorrect collection. Okay, is a jobs, that's why no, is a jobs and a jobs. Yeah, now submit the code. Thank you everyone.